What is going on with your YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we are reviewing the Bellroy Leather case for the Pixel 6 Pro. This is one of those made for Google Pixel cases, so they work directly with Google to make this case. All right. Before we get into the video, if you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you happen to enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button. All right, let's talk about it. We not beating around the bush, man. This case has some positives and negatives. Some of the negatives are pretty much inherent with the leather case. This is not what this case looked like when I first got it. I went with the biscotti color. Amazing color. I love it. I love this case overall. But you know what? You're going to get the wear and tear with the leather case pretty fast. I've been using this case for about 5 days. Hopefully, look, my filming chops aren't up to par, but hopefully you can see how this case has worn down. Let's snap it on the phone, do the quick tour. I'll point out, wait, let's listen for the snap. All right, it's a good snap. I'll point out, you know, some obvious interest with the case. You already know what's going on at the bottom. If you could see the corner, look, it's the wear and tear. That's what you're going to get with the leather case, but that's to be expected. Look, I carry a case around in a pocket with a metal wallet. It's going to have some wear and tear. It's going to get dirty. With these cases, when they get dirty, there's really no coming back from it. Once it starts getting that wear and tear on the corners, smooth side, noise canceling mics, the buttons stand out. So the buttons look to be like aluminum, I do believe, and they're kind of like highlighted, accented from the case. It's a good look. And I had no issue. I thought I was going to have an issue, but they're very clicky. All right, coming along the corner, you see the wear and tears, like black and faded. The biscotti color is faded. Along the back, you do have some Bellroy branding down here, along with a bunch of scratches. And of course, the corners are going to wear and get a little dark. This is just 5 days of use. Now, this is one of the main things that I love with this case, and that's the highlighted camera visor. I'm noticing the made for Google Pixel, the Pixel case that they made themselves that I didn't like, highlighted the whole camera visor. There's another one on Google's website that highlights the whole camera visor. And to me, it's just way better than the window look, where it just kind of hugs the camera. I like the whole visor. When we saw the advertisements for this phone, this is what it looked like. So I love how this goes around the whole visor. It's plastic around the camera, if you could hear that. So it's not the leather. So you do get protection for the camera. Look, it's a tight fit. You heard the snap. The bottom is raised quite a bit. The top is raised quite a bit. Where do I stand on this case? Look, it's expensive. It's a premium case. It's 50 bucks. It's leather. You know, you can get 3 Spigen cases for this price. But if you're looking for quality, if you're looking for premium, I could recommend it. This biscotti color, even though it's not the same, it's still amazing. It's only going to get worse as far as the wear and tear, but I'm okay with that. It has that premium feel. It's not slippery. You know, I could see where it's wearing out in 5 days. Who knows where it's going to be in a month. I'm definitely going to have to swap this guy out, even though I don't want to, man. I love this premium feel and look. I love how it accents the camera visor, but I could see why somebody would say I'm not paying $50 for a case. If you're looking for a leather case that's premium, I don't know what your other options are, but this leather Bellroy case is definitely recommended. Made for Google Pixel. All right, what is it? Super slim, eco tan leather, 3-year warranty. What else is it saying on here? Compatible with wireless charging. Microfiber lining. Let's take a look at the inside. We just going all the way here. Let's take a look because it feels and looks nice on the inside. It has a suede type material, very soft touch. Definitely not gonna harm your phone. Look, this is a pickup for me. I'll have the links in the description. I got it directly from Bellroy. I think you could find it on Amazon. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.